In this video, let us learn how we can use a tree map to create such a beautiful horizontal menu in Looker Studio. So I have a dashboard which is connected to Google Sheets as a source of data, and I want us to explore how we can easily create this horizontal menu. So just to begin with, this will enable you to filter by specific categories. So we have a two table here. First is the budget, revenue, and profit, and then this one will show the top 5 revenue. So these tables are not relevant to what we are learning, but it will help us to clearly understand. So if you want to select the action here, this will filter for you for action in both the tables that you have. So let's click the action, and then the color of the menu will also change, and you are able to filter for action only. Also, if you want to filter for horror, it will show. For fantasy, it will show. So just to inform you, this Google Sheets is actually a movie data set, and that is why these are the categories that is appearing here. So let's see how we can easily create this. Hi everyone, my name is Guyo Emano, and I'm your instructor for this video. If you haven't, I want to request that you go to this channel and subscribe for more videos related to Google Workspace tutorials. Also, if you have learned something from this video, please give it a like. Thank you so much, and let's get into the lesson. So the first step, once you are here, is to go to Insert, and then now we need to insert a tree map. So let's find tree map and insert it. So once you are here, we have to select what do we want to display. And in our case, we have to display the categories. Is it action, is it horror, etc. And if we come to our data set here, then the genre is the one we want to display. The secret here is you have to use the same column for both metric and the dimension. So let's go ahead and select our genre as dimension, and then also as a budget. Once you have done, then you have to just fix the height of your tree map, and you are able to get such a beautiful font. Once we are here, let's go to style. There are some things you want to eliminate. So for example, let's see show branch header. This one will remove this all. If you want, you can have it, or else you can remove it. Also, this show scale is actually this line here. If you want to remove it, you just untick the box. So let's just move our tree map and then just position it beautifully here. Once you are here, then that's all. So you just make sure the dimension and the metrics are referencing the same column. While this is automatically selected, there is a critical part which you need to understand and which you need to ensure that you do not miss it while creating your tree map. And that is, just go to setup, and down there, this cross filtering must be selected. If this is not selected, then your tree map will not be able to filter for you any data. So make sure this is selected. Thank you so much for watching.